general form and general term of an AP, that is arithmetic progression. So here we are going to discuss about the general form of a arithmetic progression and as well as the general term of an arithmetic progression. So here we are going to discuss these two topics under the advanced level. Then now, first of all, let us discuss about the general form of an arithmetic progression. So here A is the first term of the arithmetic progression, and whereas D is the common difference of the arithmetic progression. Whereas D is given by means of T2 minus T1, the difference of the two consecutive terms, that is the T2 is the second term and T1 as the first term. So T2 minus T1 gives the common difference, that is D. So here first of all we are going to discuss about the general form, that is the gen form of an arithmetic progression. So here to know about the general form of an arithmetic progression, first of all, so in an AP, that is arithmetic progression, A is the first term. So T1 is nothing but the first term and the T2 minus T1, which is given by means of D, say is nothing but the common difference. So here an arithmetic progression can be formed by adding up the difference that is common, which is common to each and every term. So here common difference must be added up to each and every term to get the next, that is succeeding term. So here in this manner, so we will get the arithmetic progression as the first term as A, to get the very next term, that is the succeeding term, the second term. So we have to add up the common difference, that is D. So here the first term is of A. So to get the second term, so we are adding 1D, that is common difference to this preceding term, that is A. So we are getting A plus D as the second term. Then now to get the third term, so we have to add one more D to this preceding term, that is T2. A plus D will be of A plus 2D, and the third term will be of, we have to add up one more D to this preceding term, that is the third term, that is A plus 2D plus D will be of A plus 3D. Say here, so in this manner, so dash dash dash. So this is the gen form of an arithmetic progression. So here therefore, so here hence A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and similarly and so on. So A plus 4D and so on is the general form of an arithmetic progression. Is the general form of an arithmetic progression. So here let us discuss about the general term. So here general term of an arithmetic progression, general term, or in other words nth term of an AP. So here general term, or in other words it will be called as the nth term of an AP. So here first of all, so T1 is nothing but the first term of an AP which is denoted by the letter called A. So this is the first term. Whereas T2 is the second term. In order to get the difference, that is common difference, D is the common difference. So a common difference is given by means of the formula, that is T2 minus D1, the difference of the two consecutive terms. So here hence, therefore difference D is given by means of T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2. Then gen form, so general form of an AP is given by means of A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D and so on. So here the first term is of A plus 0D, so second term is of A plus 1D, so third term will be of A plus 2D. So here we are getting as a one less than the serial number of this particular term. So in order to get the fourth term, so here n value is of 4. So to get the fourth term, so here A plus 1 less than the serial number of this particular term, that is 4 minus 1 is of 3D. So here in order to get the fifth term of an AP, so here 1 less than the serial number of this particular term, that is 5 minus 1 is of 4D. So here A plus 4D will be of the fifth term. So now, so let us frame all the terms of an AP in an order or in a certain pattern. So here by framing, the terms of an AP, that is arithmetic progression, in a certain pattern by following certain rule. So here we are going to arrange the terms, the first term, second term and as well as so on. The first term is of A, the second term is of A plus 1D, third term is of A plus 2D and as well as so on. So we are going to arrange the same terms in a particular order by means of certain rule. So here the first term is of, so here A, so first term is equals to A, whereas this is given by means of, so A plus 0D. So here 0 into D is of 0, so we will get A as it is. So here this can be written as, so that equals to, so A plus 0 can be written as, so here the order is of this, since this is the first term, n value is of 1. So here in order to get this 0, so here 1 minus 1 into D. Similarly, in order to write the second term, that is of A plus D, or in other words A plus 1D, we can write it as A plus since the coefficient is of 1, so we can write it as 1D, so that is equals to A plus, so here since the order is of 2, so from 2 when we subtract 1, so we will be getting as a 2 minus 1 as 1D. Then now the third term is of A plus 2D. So in order to get the third term is written as A plus 2D, whereas this can also be written as, so here A plus, the order is of, since this is the third term, from 3 when we subtract 1, so we will be getting the coefficient as 2, so A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Similarly, in order to get the fourth term, that is of A plus 3D, so coefficient of D is of 3, it can also be written as A plus, so here the serial number of the term is of 4, since this is the fourth term, so we have to subtract, so here 1 from the 4, that is 4 minus 1 will gives us the coefficient of the D. So 4 minus 1 into D, it gives us the A plus 3D. So here in order to find out similarly and so on, So here similarly, in order to find out the nth term, so nth term equals to, in order to find out fourth term, so from 4 we have subtracted 1. So in order to find out the third term, from 3 we have subtracted 1 in order to get the a plus 2d. So 3 minus 1 is of 2d. In order to get the fourth term, so here from 4 minus 1 we have subtracted. So by subtracting 4 minus 1 we got 3d. So here in this manner we got a plus 3d. So in order to get the nth term from n, from the serial number n, we have to subtract the 1. So here in this manner we will be getting as a plus, so here n minus 1 into d as the nth term. So here hence nth term of an arithmetic progression is given by means of Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then now based upon this formula, let us find out a problem